Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. These are all collected from newspapers. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one. Please do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Subham, the electronic shopping. They are looking for creative head and senior graphic designer. For creative head, minimum 10 years of experience is required and attractive salary is offered. And the person will be responsible for generating attention, grabbing ideas, and develop conceptual campaigns, and should be able to think high level. Creative thinking is required, and copywriting knowledge. Like this, they have mentioned few requirements for this job role. And for senior graphic designer, minimum 10 years of experience is required, and attractive salary is offered. And they have also provided what are the skill set needed, like you should have knowledge of Corel Draw, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, like this, and you should have knowledge of social media and should have experience in retail industry. Electronic retail industry is another advantages. So you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is hr@shubhamworld.com. Next, there is a job opening for computer assistant for the organization Regional Institute of Education, and they are conducting online interview for computer assistant position on December 21st, 2020, and this is a purely contractual basis vacancy for the academic session 2020 and 21, and date of interview and time is December 21st at 11 a.m. Salary offered up to 17,000 per month. For more details, you can browse the provided website address www.reimysore.ac.in. Next, there is a job vacancies for Studio. They are looking for production executives for woodworking and metalworking and assembly work. So, under the woodwork, they have mentioned the details, what are the requirements for each and everything, what are the works they do, the variety of categories for each work they have mentioned. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9740427545. Next, there is a opportunity for skill training under the organization SDL department, like skill development, entrepreneurship and livelihood department under the special unit ST subplan. So it will be conducting free short-term skill development program for poor and unemployed students belonging to SC and ST community. So you can directly contact on the given phone numbers for further information. And the last date to apply is December 31st. For more details, you can contact on the given phone numbers, and the age limit is minimum 16 years to 45 years. You can visit the provided address for further information www.kaushhalkar.com, and you have to apply before December 31st. Qualification is should have passed SSLC or ITI, and BE candidates are also eligible. And training will be provided in CNC programming, CAD, CAM, tool room machinist, mechanical, CATIA, UZ, ProE, AutoCAD, like this. They have several training sessions. On successful completion of training, free job assistance will be provided along with stipend also will be provided. So the contact numbers are 0821 258 2750, and mobile numbers are 91416 and 99454 Next, there is a job openings for Central Sericultural Research and Training Institute, and it is like a walk-in interview for the post of Junior Research Fellow. The walk-in interview will be held on December 23rd at 9:30 a.m. and for the Junior Research Fellow, and this is a contract basis for the period of 36 months under the CSB approved project. Identification, evaluation and inclusion of potential antagonistic microbes in integrated root rot disease management in mulberry. This is the project name. For the more details, you can browse the provided website address www.cstrimys.res.in. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization for junior research fellow. This is a different project, screening of drugs, inhibitors, and inhibit the PI3K AKT pathway in Bombyx mori for controlling nuclear polyhedrosis virus infection. So this is the project name, and in the interview will be on 21st December 9:30 a.m. There is a phone number and official address details as well. You can check with that. You can browse the provided website address for more information www.cstrimys.res.in. Next, there is a job openings for a CAT training institute. They are looking for counselor position. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. Should have good communication skills in Kannada and English language, and graduates are preferred. And they are also looking for faculty positions for civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and BE and diploma engineers as well. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp, or you can contact on the WhatsApp number. There is also telephone number provided. WhatsApp number is 9880908444, and contact number is 08214006 Next, there is a job openings for Kolar Cement Products. They are looking for electrician position. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9590132001. Next, there is a job openings for Bilwa Green. They are looking for operator, electrical and mechanical diploma ITI is the qualification and should have minimum 5 years of experience. And they are looking for drivers, LCV, minimum 5 years of experience is required. And they are also looking for marketing executive, minimum 5 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is bilvagren@gmail.com and contact number is 9945229013. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Vasamamba Food Needs. They are looking for senior accountant and billing in Tally. These two positions they have openings. For senior accountant, should have knowledge of GST, Tally, Excel, and MS Office, and should have minimum 5 years of experience. And for billing in Tally position, they are looking for BCom graduate preferably, and any graduate is eligible. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Salary will be based upon your experience and knowledge will be offered. You can contact on the given email ID, or they also provide the mobile number and the contact address details. You can check with that. And the time of interview will be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And mobile number to be contacted is 8792729362, and email ID is srivasavambafodneds@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for principal position for reputed school. They are looking for a dynamic and dedicated, ready to face challenges a candidate, and they should have excellent administration skills and should have academic management experience, social entrepreneurship, and these qualities are required and should be head and heart qualities. Should be a postgraduate along with BEd and MEd, and having should minimum 5 years of experience as principal or vice principal in a reputed public school. You can contact on the given email ID for further information. You can share your resume. Email ID is sccretarypublicschhool@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Premind. They are looking for HR executive, assistant HR executive, and purchase manager. For HR executive, minimum 5 years of experience is required. For assistant HR, minimum 3 years of experience is required. And for purchase manager, they are looking for should have minimum 3 years of experience in a plastic manufacturing industry or logistics or statutory norms. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID. Any of the email ID. Email IDs are vinutha@premind.com, and one more is hr@premind.com. Next, there is a job openings for Sri SGR Enterprises. They are looking for field sales executive for sale of SIM cards, Airtel. Attractive salary along with incentives is offered. You can share. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and there is also official contact address details provided. Contact numbers are 9108101202 and 9980002698. Next, there is a job openings for Sankalp Group. They are looking for civil engineers. Should have minimum 5 years of experience in high-rise construction field. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is enqury@sankalp.com. Next, there is a job openings for computer operator for an insurance agency, Yatra Enterprises, located in TK Layout. Salary along with incentives offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8494913771. Next, there is a job openings for Swiss. They are looking for accountant. Should have a knowledge of Tally ERP9 and GST. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. And they are also looking for office assistant computer operator. There is a phone numbers provided to contact, and age limit is age should be below 35 years, and timings to contact on the given phone numbers is between 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. You can contact on the given address as well. There is a address details provided here as 17 bar 2 5th main 8th cross Saraswatipuram, Mysore, and contact numbers are 9164608888 and 9844299888. Next, there is a job openings for Swarna Gold Company. They are looking for female telecallers. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9740519740. Next, there is a job openings for Star of Mysore. They are looking for binder. Should have experience. Only male candidate is eligible for the job role. And age limit is minimum 25 years and up to 40 years is considered. You can contact in between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the given phone numbers for further information. There is also official address details provided here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 2496520 and 2496521. Next, there is a job openings for Viva. They are looking for gym instructor or a coach. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And there is also address details provided here. You can check with that, and contact number is 082124499117. Next, there is a job openings for Al Kabir Education Society. They are looking for teachers. For the qualification is BSc BEd for PCMB and BA BEd for history and English subjects. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for further information. There is also provided address details here like Al Kabir Education Society. You can check with that. The contact number is 9972166786. Next, there is a job openings for Vijayalakshmi Printers and Creations. They are looking for DTP operator, graphic designer, both Kannada and English typist languages, and telecaller. And they are also looking for ladies tailors. Both male and female candidates are eligible and should have experience. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7349057709. Next, there is a job openings for Monarch Distributor. They are looking for sales executives, delivery boys, and accountant. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role, accountant. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and there is also official address details provided here. Monarch Distributor, Ash 81, 4th Main, 10th Cross, Vidyaranyapuram, Mysore. Contact numbers are 9880415090 and 9482210793. Next, there is a job openings for Manappuram Home Finance Limited. They are looking for DSA, channel partner and sales officer positions. Good salary along with incentives is offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9916901555 and 8660934732. Next, there is a job openings for S Production One Gold. They are looking for telecallers. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8095928505. Next, there is a job openings for Samruddhi Gold Company. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. They are looking for telecalling positions, and salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7829559377. Next, there is a job openings for VST Industries Limited. They are looking for male candidates for few of the openings. Minimum qualification SSLC pass. Along with salary, incentives is offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 80638113 and 9110234943. Next, there is a job openings for Media TV. They are looking for marketing manager, telecaller, and TV anchor, reporter, event manager. Two-wheeler is must for all these positions. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9980959598 and best salary is offered. Next, there is a job opening for SDJ Gold Company. They are looking for field executive, telecallers, and they are looking for like employees and work from home options also available. Minimum qualification SSLC 10th and above. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 25,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7828558897 and 9538610115. Next, there is a job opening for RM Distributors, Saraswatipuram. They are looking for water purifier technician, minimum qualification, diploma or ITI. Training will be provided for freshers and two-wheeler is must for a candidate. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7899632226 and 9902940725. Next, there is a job opening for Samruddhi Gold Company. They are looking for telecaller positions. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Best salary and along with incentives is offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7829559377. Next, there is a job openings for one of the organization for the positions hardware teacher. Two vacancies available. For field executive, four vacancies available. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9740301234 and 8197158866 and 08214242 There is a job openings for solar systems company. They are looking for drivers, plumber, electrician, and office boy. Should have a two-wheeler for all of these positions. And you can contact on the given phone number for further information. And there is also official web address details provided here. You can check with that. Contact number is 9241421701. Next, there is a job openings for NPG Lucky Stones. They are looking for sales executives. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9448958522. Next, there is a job openings for C Vinayaka Traders. They are looking for packing boys. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact number is 9901212321 and 8880883339. Next, there is a job openings for Print Solutions, one of the organization. They are looking for printing helpers. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 0821426780. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location moving forward as well as early as possible. I'll be giving a more genuine updates, job information from newspapers and from different companies for all variety of positions and qualifications as well for both freshers and experienced. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings moving forward as well. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Please keep me supported this way and please share our channel with your friends and family members as well and who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.